Hey, it's Glenn Wee from Madigan Chrysler on a Saturday morning. It's a little blustery out there, but I'm excited to tell you about a new vehicle that came off the truck. It's a 2025 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. One of my favorite vehicles. I have one myself and love driving it. We just got this black one in. It's well equipped with heated seats and steering wheel, remote start, and all of the fancy and off-road Rubicon features. Get it this month for 0% financing for up to 72 months or 7.5% off on your purchase. Give Glenn Weeb a call at 780-275-0291 or visit us online at madigandodge.com.